Hey there, welcome back. This is Chand from studyeasy.org, and in this particular video we will try to understand how to update records using HQL. Now friends, this particular code which is in front of us, this code is from our last lecture. Let's update it. Let us get rid of these codes first. Let us also get rid of this comment now. We know what stands for what. Alright, so this looks cool. Now when it comes to updating a specific record, then it's pretty simple. We simply make use of session object dot, again we will make use of create query method, and in between this create query method we will add the partial query, which would be, for example, update users set password. Now let me quickly show you the workbench. In here we have these records, right? And the password is password, which is not good. So we will set a strong password in here, and the strong password would be equals 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is funny, but it is good enough for demonstration purposes. I suppose that's it, and then we need to call in a method whose name is execute update. Alrighty, and I suppose that's it. This will update this particular database and it will set all the passwords to 1 2 3 4 5 6 if I am not mistaken. Now I suppose commit would be required, but let us quickly check whether this is required or not. Alright, so update query has been executed. Let me try to check. Here we go. So without commit as well it worked, which is again a good thing in fact. Alright, so this is fantastic that how easily we are able to update users, and in here we haven't made use of any where clause, and this is the reason why all the passwords have been updated to a specific value. So all the passwords are now 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now for example, let me add a where clause now, and we will set the password for username maybe Vidya to password again maybe. So let us do that. So we will set the password to password again, password Vidya, and then we will make use of where clause as well. So in here let me add the where clause. So we will say where first underscore name equals, and in between double quotes we will say Vidya. Alright, so this is good, and let me format this a little in order to give you a better view. And I suppose you guys are not able to see the proper query. Alright, so this will give you a better view. So here is the query: update user set password equals password Vidya, where first name equals Vidya, which is good enough. Now again we will run this Java application, and now if I execute this, then the password has been updated. Now it would be good if we also commit this transaction. So we will do session.get transaction dot commit. Alright, so this looks cool, and this is a precaution thing. We are simply committing the specific update query. Alright, so this is good. Let me re-execute this particular code, and it will create this particular query in the background: update user set password to password Vidya, where first name is Vidya, which is good enough. Alright, so this is all about today's lecture, and I suppose I have made myself clear that how easily we can update things using HQL, and we can also make use of where clause, or you can also make use of, for example, or like statements as well in these queries. Alright, so this is all about today's lecture. I hope I have made myself clear. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.